Hey, what's up, everybody? It is Monday, December 7th, Pearl Harbor Day. 79 years ago today was the Japanese attack on Pearl Harbor. So we commemorate that day. All right. It is Monday. I just sent out the new edition of MMT Trader. If you want to get a copy of that, go to my website, pitbulleconomics.com, and sign up for a 30-day free trial. Remember, I am the only one who has an applied approach to MMT. I take the concepts and understandings of MMT and I use them to invest and trade the financial markets. So go check it out, because January 1st, price is going up, and I'm still thinking about ending the 30-day free trial. So it's currently $395 a month. It's going up to $500 a month, but you can still get a 30-day free trial, so go check it out. So another day and same stuff going on. Look, I've said this before. We have very high levels of bullish sentiment. Like, you see it everywhere now. You see it in the AAII weekly survey. You see it in the put-call ratio. You see it in, in the media, in commentary, in headlines. You hear people talking about it. So, there's no disputing that. All right? If you want to be contrarian, I all this year from late March, I was saying you got to buy the market, you got to buy the market, you got to buy the market. I was saying other things too. The dollar is going down. We were bullish oil prices, all that stuff. And that was low-hanging fruit. I mean, you had very low levels of bullish sentiment. You had very high levels of bearish sentiment. And so it was right there saying things are going to get, things are going to go higher. And that's what happened. And now I also said eventually we'll get to a point where the sentiment flips around and it's going to be very bullish and positive, and that's where it is. So what do you do here? The problem is, and it's not a problem, it's actually a good thing. Well, depending on how you look at it. We still have enormous, unprecedented levels of fiscal support. And we may be getting more very soon, because Congress has just agreed on a $740 billion defense spending bill. They're going to do a 1-week stopgap spending measure, and then they're going to come up with a funding bill through 2021. And included in that is going to be some more stimulus or support, whatever you want to call it, for the coronavirus situation. They're still hammering that out. So the level of fiscal support that we have now is just going to get added to. So I really think, it's very precarious now to sell the stock market, even with the high levels of bullish sentiment. I mean, that could go even higher, or it could stay very bullish for a sustained period of time, just like it stayed really bearish for a sustained period of time. You got this enormous fiscal support, which may be about to increase, all right? So I think really the opportunity here, it's still in the stock market in certain sectors, but the opportunity here, I think, is in kind of like the inflation trade, which would be a short dollar position. It would be short treasuries, because we're going to see bond yields rise. It would be long gold and commodities, long oil, all right? I think this is kind of the sleeper trade. Now you might say, well, Mike, a lot of those things have already moved. Yeah, but we still may be in sort of the low-hanging fruit of those moves. I mean, I see the dollar going down a lot further than where it currently is. I could see gold going up a lot higher, particularly after this recent correction. I saw the commitments, the CFTC commitments of traders report on Friday, and we did see selling by producers in gold, but their level of hedging right now is historically still very low. I mean, they're not aggressively hedging. They obviously don't seem to think that the price is high enough to really get aggressive on their hedges. So I think you could see another big move up higher in gold. I think you can see also other commodities move higher. And definitely treasuries. Even though treasuries have come down and yields have gone up, we still may be in the low-hanging fruit part of that move. So, yeah, I mean, you got massive fiscal support that's about to get even bigger. To me, that looks like how it's going to play out. Anyway, I broke it all down today in the report. Go to my website, pitbulleconomics.com, and sign up. See everybody tomorrow. Bye-bye.